Most manufacturers use it every day. Few know exactly what it is. This is Spunlace. High-pressure water jets entangle fibers, no adhesives, no chemical binders. The result is a clean, pure fabric. Viscose, polyester, cotton, bamboo. Each fiber blend delivers specific performance targets. Spunlace delivers measurable performance, absorbency up to 800%, tensile strength from 20N/5 cm, OCO-TEX certified. Used in wet wipes, medical pads, hygiene products, and industrial cleaning. Pan-India supply from Agra. Favourite Fab non-woven manufacturer since 2011. Request your sample today.